And this is going to be exciting, you guys, because you can go from 36 inches all the way down to 17 inches. Let's go ahead and set this up. So we're going to take our screw nut, put it through. So all right, you guys, so we have C right here and we have G, which is our long screw. Depending on what side you want to use, if you want to scarify, you have the spikes right here to scarify. So you will have to put it like that. If you want to level your lawn, then you have to flip it and then level your lawn right there. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead, put it through. And there you go. So it's able to lean like that, and it stops because you have the L shape right here to stop it from going that way. This is different. Haven't done nothing like this before, but you screw your thread on. So put your thread on, righty tighty. All right. You want to put your other one on. This is pretty long, you guys, and that's good, especially if you got long arms. We're going to put on our last thread. Wow, this is very long. And that's it. Let's hit outside. This is Scott's topsoil. All right, you guys, and remember, if you need this to be 17 inches, you can just go ahead, take this side off, take that side off. But remember, you got to take the Allen screw right here and the nut off on the side. This is so lovely right here. This is smooth and amazing. Look at that. We're leveled. Just that easy. If you need to level your lawn, get a couple of bags of that soil. I might start doing it with sand as well. And I didn't want to get the concrete, but I did anyway. Nice and easy, everyone. And that's it. If I want to dethatch, use it as a rake, I flip it, put my screw in. Wow, I missed a hole. Come on, man. Put the screw in, put the nut on, and do the same thing, tighten it. Now we have a rake. All right, everyone, so now we have a rake out here, and or a dethatcher, whatever you want to call it. But now we can dethatch our lawn easy with 36 inches, and you see that the old dead grass is coming out. But this lawn right here is going to be a project, you guys. This is going to be a project because I'm going to rip all of this crap up. I'm going to eliminate all this weed. I am going to do crazy amount of aerating and overseeding, and you gotta love the length of this thing. All right, look how long it is, and you could just keep walking, get all of the dead grass up, and that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.